In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PlayStation 5 with adapter. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For whatever reason, the PlayStation 5 does not have native support for Bluetooth headphones, so in order to connect them, you will need to use an adapter. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire one and how to set it up so you can connect your headphones over Bluetooth. So you can find these adapters on all sorts of websites, including of course Amazon. So all that you have to do is look for a PlayStation 5 Bluetooth adapter. I chose this one from Ugreen, but there are a lot of options out there. As long as it is somewhat reliable, you can usually tell by the amount of reviews, and if it says PlayStation 5 on the title, you will be able to use it to set up your Bluetooth headphones. So after you acquire one of these adapters, you will plug it into your PlayStation 5 through the USB-C port. Some of them might also include a dongle that you can plug into the 3.5mm headphone jack if you want to use a microphone as well, so go ahead and do that, but the most important one is this, to actually set up the Bluetooth connection. So once you plug in the USB-C adapter for your dongle, what you have to do now is set up your headphones into pairing mode. So usually this will be done by powering them on or pressing a specific dedicated button. Again, because every single manufacturer, every single brand has a different connection type or way to set up pairing mode, I cannot give you instructions for all of them in this video. So check the manual if needed. Once you have your set of headphones into pairing mode, you will be able to connect them to the dongle. So while the dongle is plugged into your PlayStation 5, press the physical button at the back. So when you press and hold this button here, it is going to go into pairing mode and look for the nearby headphones that you are trying to connect. And as long as you have the headphones and the dongle in close proximity and both are in pairing mode, they will connect between themselves. If you go into the sound settings and you go into the audio output category, you will be able to find the headphones that you connected here over Bluetooth. Make sure that they are selected and all of the audio being output on the PlayStation 5 will go to the Bluetooth headphones. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PlayStation 5 with adapter. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.